In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group layers and use frames in Figma. Whether you're a seasoned designer polishing up your skills or a newcomer just getting started, understanding how to effectively organize your assets in Figma is crucial. Let's dive in and explore how you can streamline your design process using these essential features. First things first, you'll want to open Figma. Navigate to the Figma website and log into your account. If you're not already familiar with Figma, it's a leading interface design tool that allows for collaborative work, making it easier to design wireframes, prototypes, and even full-fledged applications. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the Figma homepage where all your recent work and shared files are conveniently listed. From the homepage, head on over to the design section. This section is where all the design magic happens, and you spend most of your time crafting and perfecting your visuals. Here's a handy tip: if you're working on a team, make sure you're in the right Figma file that everyone is collaborating on. This ensures that any changes you make can be seen and responded to in real time by your team members. Now, let's talk about grouping layers. It's a great way to keep your workspace tidy and your project well organized. Start by selecting the objects you want to group. Simply click and hold your mouse button, then drag over the items you want to include in your group. It's important to confirm that all intended objects are selected before moving on to the next step. With your objects highlighted, right-click on any of them and you'll see a contextual menu appear. Look for the option that says Group. Clicking on this option will instantly group your selected items together. This is particularly useful for keeping related design elements bundled together as you move and resize them within your workspace. With your objects grouped, you've ensured more efficient edits and modifications without affecting individual components. Next, let's tackle using frames, another powerful feature in Figma. Frames help define boundaries for your design projects, allowing for better layout control and presentation flow. To start using frames, click on the region tools in your toolbox, usually positioned on the right side of your screen. This will unveil a set of options where you'll find the frame tool. Click on it and you'll be able to draw a frame anywhere on your canvas by clicking and dragging your mouse. Don't worry about getting the size perfect on the first try. You can easily adjust the dimensions of your frame afterward by selecting it and using the resize handles. Frames are incredibly helpful for organizing your design files, providing a clean vision of how different parts of your project fit together. By employing these techniques, you can ensure that your design projects remain organized and easy to navigate. Remember that learning to efficiently group your layers and frame your work can significantly impact the clarity and aesthetic flow of your design projects in Figma. That's it for today's tutorial. Happy designing!